Hello, my artsy friend. In this video, we'll be going over the back stitch. Let's jump in. We're going to start by knotting our yarn, and then I'm going to thread it. So I'm going to put the threader through the needle and then pull the yarn through. Now I'm ready. I'm going to come up through the back, down through the front, just one stitch length. That's our straight stitch. That'll get us started. We're going to go up one stitch length and then back down into that same hole from our previous stitch, and that's the back stitch. So you go up one stitch length and back down to the hole that holds your last stitch. So they will be sharing that hole. That's part of it. It makes it great for outlining and doing hand lettering. So again, up a stitch length and back down. So I'll finish this one up. This is the first variation. This is the traditional back stitch, and we're going to do 2 more variations. I'll also show you how I keep my backs tidy. So I like to do a whipped back stitch here. So I'm just going under the stitches. And then sometimes if my tail's long enough, I'll pull that in too. If not, I'll thread it and do the same on the other end, but it just helps to keep it nice and clean. So now we're ready for the whip back stitch. So I'm going to start with a back stitch. So do our straight stitch, and then we'll go through and put this foundation. It's going to look exactly like we did the top row, up a stitch length and back down into the last hole of that previous stitch. So I'll fill this in really quickly so we can get to the next variation. So you can start at the end or you can go back to the beginning, but we're going to start the whipped part of the back stitch. So you're going to come back up and you're going to go under that initial stitch and you're going to wrap it essentially. So you're going to be creating a rope-like effect. It just really smooths out the line. It's really beautiful. And if you use different color yarn, oh, you can actually go backwards too. So I've seen it both ways. I tend to lead with my needle. I don't know if it matters. Pick which one works best for you. But these are also great during the holidays if you use a different color to make candy canes. And that is our whipped back stitch. Now we're ready for our final variation. We're going to come up through the back, down through the front, but we're going to go 2 stitch lengths ahead. And then we're going to go up 1 stitch length and then back down 2 stitch lengths. So you're going to be splitting that essentially. So you're going to go in the middle of that. So again, we're going to go up 1 stitch length and then back 2 stitch lengths and actually splitting right into the middle of that yarn. It's going to create this really cool braided effect. It's very similar to the chain stitch, but it's actually filled. So again, you're going up 1 stitch length and then coming back down 2 so that you're actually splitting your stitches. So I'm going to fill this in quickly and then we'll take a look at all of our backstitch variations. And that's it. There's our back stitches. So I did clean up the back, so I'll show you that too. And there we go. Your backstitch pro.